see people who have got like canter but with cameras in their hand, but I don't know how they do that.
No, it's a head cam.
Yeah, but some people do have it in their hands and they go. Yeah, I was like, how do you do that? Or like chop with it in their hand. I mean, I do it happily on patch because in a school, because, you know, I know that he isn't going to do anything stupid. But, you know, on a hack, that seems very difficult. But the hack cam's a really good idea. My friend Kirsty wants to get one so she can put it on in her lesson and then, I don't know, on YouTube put it into super fast mode so it doesn't take an hour. Or they split it into sections and then put it on there so it's really quick. So, I don't know, a 5-minute one each. Are you going to put any more videos on YouTube or not?
Soon, hopefully. Probably some more singing as well.
Huh?
Some more singing ones.
Oh yeah, I saw your Chloe Gardner one on the Frantic page on Full One.
Yeah.
With Bo.
It's only because we've been so busy with GCSEs.
Yeah, but now they're over. Yeah. Do you have to take as many GCSEs as you want, or do you have to take a certain amount?
You have to take a certain amount, but just like when you get to that stage, make sure you pick what you're actually interested in, because else you're not going to be interested in. You're just going to get bored.
Yeah.
But I because I was too couldn't handle as many as I had. So
How many did you have? History?
Yeah.
I'm not going to do history.